Hare Krishna, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to learn a very important special shloka which every dancer should know. This is on Lord Shiva when he's in the beautiful form of dancing. He's called Nataraja. So the shloka is on Nataraja. It's very easy. It's got only 13 words in it. And let's try and learn the shloka. Listen to it and learn it along with me. Ankikam bhuvanam yashya vachikam sarva vangmayam आहार्यं चंद्र ताराति तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवं. Now let's learn how to do the hands and legs. First let's learn the hands. It will be in a mirror image and stay tuned how to learn it and dance along with me. Now let's learn the hands of Ankikam Bhuvanam Shloka. Alapadam above your head, showing the body of Lord Shiva, Ankikam. Then Bhuvanam, your left hand Alapadam, right hand Suchi, which is like a huge magnanimous universe. Body of Lord Shiva is like a universe. Whose Yashya, speech, Vachikam, is Sarva, all languages or dialects. Again, Ankikam Bhuvanam Yashya Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam. Now the second part, which is Aharyam. Chatura Mudra. Aharyam. Earrings, Kataka Mukam. Aharyam. What is the Aharyam? Chandra, moon, and stars. Tarati. Chandra, Tarati, and all the celestial beings. Tam, you, Numash, Shat, become Shivam. Again, Aharyam, ornaments, earrings. His ornaments and earrings are the moon, stars, and the celestial beings. You, Lord Shiva, I bow down to you, who is very great in cosmic consciousness, and that is Lord Shiva. And I bow down to you. Now let's club the first part and second part and do it together as a full stretch of the 13 words. Ankikam. Again. Ankikam Bhuvanam. Again. Bhuvanam Yashya. Do it again. Yashya Vachikam. Do it again. Vachikam Sarva. Again. Sarva Vangmayam. Aharyam. Do it again. Aharyam. Second Aharyam. 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 Chandra Tarati. Do it again. Chandra Tarati. Tam Numash. Do it again. Tam Numash Shatvikam Shivam. Shatvikam Shivam. And the final Shivam is Shivam. Okay. Now do it along with me. Ankikam Bhuvanam Yashya Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam. Aharyam. Chandra Tarati. Tam Numash Shatvikam Shivam. Now let's learn the legs of Ankikam Bhuvanam. Okay? And let's try and do it together. Okay? Ankikam, Prankanam, back. Bhuvanam, forward. Yashya, Vachikam, in Samam. Sarva, heel walk, in rotation. Sarva. Vangmayam, stay in the same place. Aharyam, again go back. Chandra, just drag it. Tarati, stay in the same place. Tam, Numash. Shatvikam, stay in the same place. Shatvikam, Aramandi. Shivam, Murumandi, and then final Shivam, come back. Let's try it together. Ankikam Bhuvanam Yashya Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam Aharyam Aharyam Chandra Tarati Tarati Tam Numash Shatvikam Shivam Shivam Shivam. That's the whole Angikam Bhuvanam part. I hope you love, learn, like, share and subscribe. I would look forward to it in keeping you learning, and I will look forward to you to send more and more videos and make you learn this beautiful art form, Bharatanatyam. Until then, see you. Bye-bye. Hare Krishna. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.